Hello everyone, I'm in the process of designing and recording most precise videos on IELTS, and this is the first video on the listening part of the IELTS test. I'm going to tell you a simple three-step process to develop your listening skills. The first step is to catch hold of a good book. Like I've got book 8 test 1. This is how the listening test looks like, okay? There are 40 questions and you are supposed to do all these sections one by one. It is divided into 4 sections. So you have got this PDF. That's step 1. You have got the PDF, all right? Now what do? You need to have an audio for the thing for this test. Where will you get the audio from? You'll get the audio from YouTube. Simply go to YouTube and write down IELTS Book 8 Test 1 or IELTS Book 8 Test 2. Whichever test you want to access, all these tests are freely available on YouTube. You don't have to have any other resource. So you will do the test, all right? The book is there, the YouTube is there, and you are taking the test. Now, after taking the test, what are you supposed to do? Check your answers. Where will you check the answers from? In the PDF itself at the end of the book, these are the answers given, right? There are 40 questions. You can see there are 40 answers. Check which questions you got wrong, which questions you got right, right? It should match the spelling. You have to be careful about the spelling. If it says one word only, write down one word only. All right. So these are the answers. You will check them. All right. Let's say you went wrong on question 28, 29, and 30. Now, how to correct your answers? It's very simple. You are also provided with transcripts. Now, what do you mean by transcript? Transcript is the written form of the test. It's again given in the book itself. As you can see on page 133 of the same PDF, I've opened the 3 different versions of the same PDF, 3 different pages of it. So you have got the transcript here. You can read this content and understand where you went wrong. All right. So do this test with the help of the PDF and check the answers with the help of answers provided here and read the transcript. Do the same test 3 times, right? There are 4 tests. I want you to do each of these 4 tests 2 to 3 times to understand the test structure. This is most important. Do not go for any strategy. Do not go for any tutorial. Simply do the test first. It's very simple. By simply doing the test, you will understand the structure. You will understand where you are going wrong. And in case you get stuck, you're most welcome to ask me and I'll guide you what should you do, right? But the first step is it's more about taking actions. So look, if you want to learn swimming, no point looking at people swimming in the swimming pool. Jump into the pool, start with some taking some baby steps and then improve, right? So instead of thinking about what strategy should you use, simply take the test and you'll eventually see that by doing the same test 2 to 3 times, you understand the whole test structure and that translates into you scoring higher marks. Okay, so what I want you to do is do this test. All the content is available. If you are not having it, if you have any questions, you can ask me, and all the best to you. This is the simplest and the most direct way to develop your IELTS listening skills. All the best to you.